Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can organize your projects or how you can rename your projects on CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already on the CapCut homepage on my mobile. So you can just select the project that you want to organize, in this case rename. So for example, I want to organize this projects right here. So just click on the three dots icon under the project itself, and there will be this pop-up, and you can just click on rename options, and here you can change the project name by yourself. So you can just, for example, I'm going to try project 1. After that, just click on confirm, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.